Hey guys, so we are making dinner for our first night of camping. We've got some steak and, what's this, honey? Tomato.
It's an Armenian stew, which is tomato, baby snack peppers, garlic, quinoa, and basil.
Yum. And we have our fire going right over here. And a little prep station going on over here with all of our snacks as well. And of course, Dave is wearing a headlamp so he can see the stove, and our little lantern over there as well. It's gonna be a fun night. Babe, it's gonna be a fun night, huh?
Oh yeah.
So this is our little tent set up for the night. We've got our little puppies on their puppy bed here. Husband. Got a little fan / light up on our tent ceiling. Our air mattress with a sheet, a couple pillows, a blanket, and our personal stuff down in the corner there. Dave, are you excited?
Yay. I love camping.
And we're camping where again?
We're at Beckler River.
Guys, good morning from Camp Dave and Jen. We had the longest night last night. It was so cold. It's a good thing we brought all these like extra blankets and scarves and beanies and things like that. Dave is making another fire, and we have just had a couple cups of morning coffee with our instant coffee. I'm gonna have some noodles. And our puppies are acclimating quite well. Where's Tanner? Tanner, stop it. No, that's garbage. Buckley has dug a hole for himself, and he's sitting in a little hole chair. And our little tent that we survived in last night, just right over here. And our hammock beyond that. It's a good morning. It's really beautiful out here and so peaceful, and the air is so fresh. We're having a really good time.
And I got a machete.
What? He's got a machete.